Hello Rafikis, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Farhana and I'd love it if you subscribe and join the Rafikis squad. I realize there's so many of you who are watching and are not subscribed. Why are you not subscribed? Also click that bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. In this video we are in the kitchen, we're chefing it up. We are cooking biryani, and we're cooking biryani. If you're following me on Instagram, you'll know about this. About like a month ago, 2 months ago, this restaurant here in London called Kadiri's, their food are delicious. They sent me a box of like make your own biryani at home set thing, and there was so many things like fried onions in here, spice mix, there's a secret biryani powder, rice as well, and lastly there was the secret biryani masala. I've used this in some different dishes and it tastes amazing. So today I'm going to follow their, I don't know if you can see that, but their step-by-step recipe of cooking their biryani. I can't wait to do this. Let's get right into it because I'm so hungry. In the previous video, as you guys know, I lost in the challenge with Tariq because yeah, he knows me pretty well. So I guess today is literally the day after. Today's Saturday. Today's the day after I posted that video, and I'm cooking for the week. These are all of the ingredients needed: turmeric, chili powder and salt, chopped coriander, chopped onions over there, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, pure butter ghee. I've never used butter ghee. Today's my first time. Chopped tomatoes, lemon, secret biryani powder, fried onions and spice mix. I am going to be removing the spice mix because this is only to be used for the rice. And let me just be honest guys, I'm not making the biryani rice because number one, the steps is so long, and number two, like I have a rice cooker now, so I'm pure lazy. We're making the rice just simple, and we're just gonna make the biryani rojo rojo, you know, the curry side. Of course I also have some washed meat because we're making beef biryani. So this is the instructions. It says cooking time 90 minutes, but I think it's gonna be so much less because I'm not doing the rice, and serves 4 to 5 people. I'm gonna reduce the portions. So we need to add our oil, which I already have over here, vegetable oil, and then it says add the butter ghee. It says add the butter ghee and cook for about 2 minutes. So let's get that done. Next is to add the onions, the chopped onions, and just fry them until golden brown. Once the onions have caramelized, we're going to go ahead and add salt to taste, garlic paste and ginger paste. Stir it really good. I'm gonna add my chopped tomatoes as well as tomato paste, tomato puree. We're gonna cook this until the oil separates, and that's how you know your tomatoes are properly cooked. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add the biryani powder, secret biryani powder. Then add some turmeric, around a teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix it all together. This is turning to look really nice now, guys. Now I'm gonna add half a lemon into this. Oh, look at that rojo, guys. This looks so good. So for the last step, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the meat in there and mix it real good. We're gonna cook it on high heat for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then leave it on low heat for the meat to properly cook for about 40 minutes. I'm gonna add like a tiny bit of water so that when we cover it, the meat can cook for 40 minutes properly. I'm gonna cover it and let it to cook completely. So here we have our rice, which is piping hot. I'm gonna take some of the fried Kadiri onions and just garnish it on the top like some decor. Oh, it looks so good, guys. The biryani is also amazing. It's thickened up really well. Just look at that, guys. Oh my god, it smells delicious. Let's serve it now and get to eating. It looks absolutely delicious. The rice is here also garnished in the fried onions. Let's get to eating. Tariq! Food is ready. What do you think? How does it look?
It looks really nice, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so hungry. Let's get to eating. Can we eat? Yeah, Rabbi, it's hot. Bismillah. Okay, Tariq is gonna taste it. Are you gonna taste it? Yallah. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let him check everything.
Take a bite and then we go eat. We go sit. What do you think?
That's really nice, mashallah.
Yeah?
This is nice.
Did I get it spot on?
Yeah. I'm actually surprised.
For those days that you're super lazy and you don't want to cook a whole biryani rojo on your own, you can get the secret biryani masala from Kadiri's website, which is right over there. And with this, all you simply have to do is boil your meat. So you cook your meat and then you add the masala in, the rojo in your meat, and ta-da, you have your biryani ready. Hi guys! So I hope you guys really enjoyed watching me cook. I'm absolutely blown away with the love and support you guys have been showing on my videos with Tariq, and it's amazing. Thank you so much. Also, thank you for getting me to I think 8K. We're now at 8,000 likes on the video of Meet My Husband, because I never in 1,000 years would have thought that I would get 10,000 likes. We're so close to that. Tariq and I will be filming the How We Met video this week, so that it will be up next week. I now post every Monday and Friday at 5 p.m. Kenyan time, 2 p.m. UK time. I'm super grateful that we're starting 2021 at 120,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful. Like, this platform means the world to me, and to just have you guys along the journey has been just incredible. If there's anybody watching this and has really been wanting to start a YouTube channel, just start. Like, just do it. Jump on it. I started as a hobby. It was something just for fun, and then one day it just became what it is now. I'm not saying like, oh wow, I'm so successful or anything like that, but alhamdulillah, I've reached somewhere, you know. If you have a business, that you've been thinking about starting for the longest time, and to this, there's this one special girl that I'm talking to, you, yes, you know who I mean. You're thinking about starting your business, just do it. Like, just take that leap of faith and do it, because you never know the outcome. I started my business 2 years ago, Farhana Oberson clothing. A year and a half later, I rebranded to Sarabi, and now alhamdulillah, we're doing international orders. So you just never know where things in life will take you. So whatever you have in your mind to do to excel yourself, just do it. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I can't wait to upload the How We Met video. It's interesting. It's interesting. I don't think my parents even know how we met, or they just vaguely know that, okay, these guys met online, but they don't know the full story. So nobody knows the full story, I think. But yeah, this will be interesting to film. So yeah, it'll be up next week. For now, I'm gonna say bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video on Friday. Can you see I get it,